Babayi, Pampanga, magandang gabi Central Luzon. Ako po yung kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Salenga. Areni na rin mga regular balita ngayong Lunes, November 6, 2023. Menakitan niyang 64.8 million pesos ang likha ng Central Luzon Trade Fair. $151 college scholars na ning Kapitolyu, mipasar board exams. 12 kayanakang babayi, pepakit gelingan king public speaking competition na ning Soroptimist International of Guagua. High-value individual king Pampanga, kerakpan niyang 55 grams na ning shabu, ag pangking PNP. At Mabalaqueña beauty queen na Anne Klein Castro, mikoronan niyang Mutya ng Pilipinas-Pampanga 2023. Pepakit lang gelingan ding 12 kayanakang babayi king metong nga public speaking competition ay inorganisa na ning Soroptimist International of Guagua, Pampanga. Nasa Rakanureng anak ka maging future broadcast journalist. Siliban tayo ang aktibidad king report ng Arlene Salonga.
Labilang nga duwang kayanakang babayi, dadapulo hanggang 10 metong ding miligligan king public speaking competition na merapat king Katlea Garden Villas, San Nicolas First, Guagua, Pampanga, ngening Lunes a 6 na ning Nobyembre. Inorganisa ning Soroptimist International o SI of Guagua ing may sabing aktibidad.
I have goosebumps every time I remember when I spoke to them for the first time and then narinig ko sila sa first press tour nila kahapon, they had a radio guesting. Goosebumps talaga. I am so proud of all 12 of them. Especially how vocal they are, how articulate, and parang ano talaga parang they are well prepared for this. And mind you, we only have less than 45 days to inform them that there is this competition. And would you like to join? Yun, ready sila.
Sinentrula karamiya aliwang topic kalupan ning discrimination, climate change, budgeting at aliwa pa rin piyesa de rin participants.
What we like about this is that visible and vocal really says a lot about who they are now. They are young, yes, but they are now visible. They are vocal about their opinions to be accepted and to be parang global and awareness na rin of what's happening in the world.
Agpangkang Mayor Tonton Torres ning Guagua, masanting yung pamikatago ni Nibang apakit darang kayanakan ing karelang talento ang ponggelingan.
Ako paniwala ako, this is one way na I-encourage lalo ding anak to communicate more, especially nowadays. Sabi ko pin, na ding anak mas focus lang ka rin gadget. Minsan ita communication skills daw mawawala. So ako, I'm very grateful and very thankful kay Soroptimist International of Guagua na naisip din yung programang ini. And sabi ko pin na the local government of Guagua will be supporting yung programang ini.
Kaya beneman ka rin participants ing anak na ning metong nga caregiver king Israel ay nice Z. Dededicate na kanuin kayang pyesa para king kayang ima.
Engage with nature. Develop a deeper connection with nature by spending time outdoors. Learning local ecosystem and
Samantala, lumaban niya yung winner Kenny king Virtual International Competition ang marapat king December 10.
What we like about this is that they don't have to travel. We don't have to, sustainable competition for this one. We don't have to travel by air. It's a Zoom competition for all 11 countries everywhere in the world. So it's such an empowering project of Soroptimist International.
Ini yung pilot run na ning global competition at masayala ring miyembro na ning Soroptimist International of Guagua uling ilang may piling representante ngening banwa.
How Soroptimist International of Guagua got into this competition is that we answered the survey, and out of the 300 plus clubs of our federation, Soroptimist International of the Americas, we were selected as the only representative not for the non-Commonwealth countries. So it's such an honor to be in the pilot run. There will be 11 countries who will do the global competition on December 10. December 10 is Soroptimist International Foundation Day. So imagine Philippines will have a representative from Guagua. And I was telling the girls when I was talking to them, if you win, the name will be your name, your school, and then Guagua Philippines. That's how we will put it on the screen.
Kaya Liana Kanilaw, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.
Dininanong galal ning Pampanga Provincial Police Office o PPO, demyaluang private at public organization sa sinaw king pamagbante king barangay at Sangguniang Kabataan Elections 2023. Merapat ing awarding na ning Certificate of Appreciation kasabi na ning flag raising ceremony king Pampanga PPO Parade Grounds nganing abak na ning Lunes, November 6. Tinago niyan timong guest of honor na ning aktibidad Provincial Director na ning Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Pampanga ay Mirna Moral Soriano. Kaya naman tinanggap kareng galal ang timong representante dareng karelang organisasyon di Angelina Blanco, ing Chief na ning Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, Captain Romel Hordan na ning Armed Forces of the Philippines, Lieutenant Junior Grade Ryan Austria ng Philippine Coast Guard, Fire Inspector Jefferson Robles ng Bureau of Fire Protection, Jail Inspector Stanley Batacan Hines ng Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, Richard Espanyol Alerta ng Guardian Brotherhood Action Philippines Arayat Chapter, Antimuri ni Angelito Almario Cortez ng Police Hotline Movement Incorporation Bacolod Chapter, Renato Pagyo ng Community Crime Group, Gloria Ranyola ng Minalin United Force Multiplier, at Carlo Angelo Quito Benga Oras ng Global Marshal Against Crime Police Auxiliary Organization, Ibat King San Simon Chapter. Pinuri na nemang Director Moral Soriano ng Pampanga PPO, pamuntukan ng Police Colonel Levy Hope Basilio para king matagumpeng pamagbantera kanu king BSKE 2023 at pati na rin kanu king Dawon.
It is with profound admiration that I commend the Pampanga Police Provincial Office for being adjudged as the best provincial station. Many congratulations po. We thank you for the essential task to carry out in maintaining peace and order in the province, especially during the critical situations we find ourselves in. To name a few such situations in recent weeks,
Pakano posibleng magbabaking 20 pesos kada kilo ing presyo na ning abyas. Ini po impisyag na ning newly appointed Agriculture Secretary ay Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. king peka mo muna ng press briefing merapat nganing Lunes, November 6. Agpangkang Laurel bistaman kanu kararagliang akwa ing target at 20 pesos per kilo, posible naman kanong mibabaing presyo na ning abyas. Gawan da kanu ing agyura bang maginyang mas affordable para kareng consumer bayo mayari ing banuang 2024. Samantala, sinabi na namang Laurel, minyeneng utos Marcos Jr. tungkol king pamagpasikan king produksyon dareng at suking sektor ning agrikultura. Kaya beking direktiba na ning presidente ing modernisasyon king pamananam, pamagpasikan king sistema dareng irigasyon, pamangabit pataba ampong pamangamit kareng ustong klase na ning bini.
The 20 peso per kilo was an aspiration, di ba? Ang problem now, we are in the 15-year high sa world market, di ba? Dating $230 per ton na isda sa, let's say, sa Vietnam. Today, it's $700 per ton. So today, that is not possible. But with yung directive ni Presidente to, modernize, irrigate, use the right seeds and mechanize and all of that, maraming gagawin. We are getting ready, to do our best to try to make rice affordable. Kaya ng bulsa ng mamamayan. But We're hoping to do that in the coming, maybe towards the end of next year. But of course, modernizing is not easy. May procurement process, may ganon. So it might take a little time, but we're going to do it as fast as possible. Thank you.
Antabayanan king pa magbalik na ning Balen at Balita. "151 college scholars na ning Kapitolyu mipasar laking board exams. At Menakitan niyang 64.8 million pesos ing Likha ng Central Luzon Trade Fair. Ako po mama ko, magbalik pa ing Balen at Balita. Makatuto kayo pa rin keng Balen at Balita. Mipasar lakeng mialiwang board examinations deng 151 college scholars na ning provincial government ning Pampanga. Professionals nung mayayaos ngeni reng 99 graduates na ning kursong BS Education, 12 graduates na ning BS Medical Laboratory Science, 10 BS Psychology graduates, 4 na BS Architecture graduates sa deng aliwapo, mayaring accountancy, civil, mechanical electronics at electrical engineering. Proud naman ni Governor Dennis Pineda kareng achievement daring kayanakang Balen. Agpangking gobernador, elamo king provincial government dapat pasalamat ding board passers nune pati na rin kareng karelang pengari amig sakripisyo bang apayari dalaking pamagaral. May katanggap lang siya 10,000 pesos iba't king Kapitolyu ding board passers. Kaya namang Governor Delta miduwang cash assistance, the board members Maylin Pineda Kayabyab, Fritzy David Dizon, Sahid Khan Yusuf Cherry Manalo, Paul Balingit, Nelson Calara, Gabi Mutok, Special Assistant to the Governor Angelina Blanco, at Provincial Librarian Jasmine Cordero. Target achieved and doubled, apin ini ing pagmaragulan ng Department of Trade and Industry. Kaya rin na po ng 25th Likha ng Central Luzon Trade Fair, Menakitan may get 64 million pesos. Pagsadya na naman kanungyan, ining ahensya ing 6th Carb Trade Fair, marapat naman king Angeles City, keng November 16 to 19. Ining report.
Masaya ning Balita ng Department of Trade and Industry o DTI Central Luzon ing matagumpeng resulta na ning 25th Likha ng Central Luzon Trade Fair amerapat king SM Mega Mall Mandaluyong City anyang October 25 to 29. Agpangking Information Officer na ning DTI Region 3 ay Inerson Ray Romero at sumuking 25 million pesos ing karelang target sales. Pero doble pa kanini, ing penakitan na ring 165 MSME sa mikyabiking mesabing trade fair.
Mas mataas po kaysa last year. At based on initial info po natin, umabot po ng mahigit 64.861 million pesos ang sales ng ating likha ng Central Luzon Trade Fair. Ang cash po rito amounting to 8.8 million pesos. Ang nakabooked po na sales nila ay 43.9 million. At ang mga under negotiation pa po natin ay aabot pa ng 12.02 million pesos po.
Peka masalila kanureng non-food products, kabang peka maragol naman penakitan ding MSME si Bating Bataan ating 37.95% share na ning total sales. Pampanga ating 16.31% at Tarlac at suking 16.17% ing share. Kaya yari na pamuning matagumpeng trade fair, metong pangkaparehong aktibidad ing pagsadyang pasibayo ning DTI Central Luzon. Apin ini ing 6th Carp Regional Trade Fair nung nukarin 107 exhibitors na ring asahang makyabe. Dakal mo naman kanu food and non-food products ing ibida na ring benepisyaryo na ning Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program ng gobyerno. Iba't pa mo rin kareng 7 probinsya ng Central Luzon. Pati niya naman kanu ini ning culminating activity kareng ganaganang assistance at serbisyong tinggap na ring farmer beneficiaries.
For the whole year, nagkaroon po tayo ng mga iba't ibang assistance tulad ng mga seminars, workshop, mga training skills, product development activities para matulungan po itong ating mga MSMEs na mapabuti pa at ma-upscale o ma-upgrade yung kanilang mga produkto at ang kanilang mga negosyo. At bilang culminating nga, ito, binibigyan din natin sila ng pagkakataon para ma-market yung kanilang mga produkto, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga karehiyon din.
Agpang pakang Romero, masanting niya naman pami katago nini, kareng bisang maranong manyaning panregalo, lalo pat malapit na yung Pasko.
Mga gusto pong mas maagang mag-shopping ng kanilang panregalo, maaari na po tayong bumisita dito sa Regional Trade Fair natin para mamili ng mga regalo, no? Maaasahan po natin ito, yung mga produkto na dekalidad, no? Mapa food o non-food po na mga products ng ating mga MSMEs ang ating matutunghayan dito sa CARP Regional Trade Fair po natin.
Marapat yung 6th Corp Regional Trade Fair, King Marky Mall, Angeles City, King November 16 to 19. Ako yung kayong talasuyo ay Jennifer Salenga, ating puso makabalen.
Kilob na ning maygit at lumpulong banwa, maging partner dane ring mialiwang komunidad ing Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation pangaresking safe at reliable water distribution system kati Pilipinas. Paulining karelang dedikasyon king pamamiyang serbisyo kareng memalen, metong yaing Prime Water kareng antimong Premier Water Utility Companies keng bangsa. Amamiya danom kareng maygit 500,000 households at magproduce maygit 300 million liters na ning treated water, balibat kareng deep wells sampong surface water resources. Lakwas tamo pang bakibalwan ing gagawa na ning Prime Water ing pamanakda kareng daratang panahon king VTRA ni.
Prime Water Infrastructure Corporation has been a trusted partner of Filipino communities for more than 3 decades, ensuring safe and reliable water distribution systems throughout the country. We provide water to over 1 million households and enable various sectors of society with water system development and construction, bulk water supply improvement, rehabilitation and expansion, and septage management. As we expand our reach and projects, we remain committed to providing quality service and relentless hope to improve the lives of every Filipino. We are Prime Water, one of the country's premier water utility companies dedicated to providing potable, reliable, and sustainable water supply to every home.
Antabayanan king pamagbalik na ning Balen at Balita. Pamamaril king metong broadcaster king Misamis Occidental kinundinane ning Pampanga Press Club. High value individual king Pampanga, kerakpan niyang 55 grams na ning shabu ag banking PNP. Pampanga Giant Lanterns akalaban doring San Juan Knights king MPBL North Division Finals. At heavy traffic posibleng danasan king Hill Puyad Avenue king Clark pauli na ning gagawan ng underpass. Eko pumama ko magbalik e paing Balen at Balita. Makatuto kayo pamurin king Balen at Balita. Kinundinane ning Pampanga Press Club ang milyaring pamamaril kang Juan Humalon o mas kilala ating mong i-DJ Johnny Walker na ning 94.7 Kalamba Gold FM king Kalamba Misamis Occidental. Milyari ing karumaldumal na krimen kabang magprograma ya ihumalon king kayang home studio napon November 5. May yakit pa king live streaming na ning programa ng humalon ing mismong pamamaril na ning gunman kayo. Keng Facebook post na ning Pampanga Press Club, inawad na naman ning grupo ing ustisya para kang humalon at ing proteksyon para kareng aliwapang media practitioners. Kinundinane rin ng National Union of Journalists of the Philippines o NUJP ing murder ng humalon. Base kang datos na ning NUJP, apin na iniing ika-199 na kaso na ning media killing. Maribad anyang 1986 at kapat naman. Lalam na ning Administrasyong Marcos Jr. Milyaring pamamaril kang humalon at aldo, kaya rin na ning International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists, amerapat anyang November 2. Samantala, sinabi na namang Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na pabusten ning kayang administrasyon ing pamanataki karing miyembro na ning press. King post ng Marcos Jr. King X, sinabi na nini inutos na ing pulis sa midawong investigasyon bang maging mabalis ing pamamya ustisya kang humalon. Mera kapiyay meto nga alias Joseph Keng anti-illegal drugs operation sa merapat king Guagua, Pampanga napon, Domingo, November 5. Base king reporteding PNP, mikitimbang 55 gramo, mamalagang 374,000 pesos sing illegal a droga ay kwakang alias Joseph. Ang pangking direktor ng Pampanga Provincial Police Office ay Police Colonel Levi Hope Basilio, metong yang high-value individual ing mera kapa drug suspect. Samantala, adwa katao lamo naman king Barangay Barreto, Olongapo City, reng kerakpan 15 gramo na ning shabu, mikialagang 102,000 pesos napon mo rin November 5. Arestado mo rin king kaparehong aldo ing metong motorcycle rider, magdalang 1.2 grams na ning shabu at 0.8 grams na ning marijuana, king Abukay, Bataan. Mera kabiyang suspect king metong Comelec checkpoint. Milob na laking North Division Finals aning Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League o MPBL, den Pampanga Giant Lanterns o PGL, kaya ritong simbot deng Caloocan Batang Kankalu anyang Biyernes, November 3. Timbakan dong 16 sa puntos ning PGL ding pambato ning Caloocan, keng score an 93-77. Player of the game ay Enzo Serrano, ginawang 22 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists. Akalaban doon ang Giant Lanterns ng San Juan Knights king North Division Finals. Marapat siyang Game 1 king Brenzy Giao Convention Center king Ciudad San Fernando king Sabado, November 11. Asahan kano yung posibleng traffic congestion king Hill Puyan Avenue, Aruta, Paluwal at Palug king Clark via Clark Main Gate, magumpisa po nganing Lunes, November 6. Agpangking Public Safety Division aning Clark Development Corporation, pauliyay ni ning gagawandang underpass sa parte ning Malolos Clark Railway Project. Antabayanan king pamagbalik na ning Balen at Balita. Mabalaqueña beauty ay Anne Klein Castro, mikoronan niyang Mutya ng Pilipinas-Pampanga 2023. Eko po mama ko, magbalik pa ing Balen at Balita. Magbalik po ing Balen at Balita, pakibalwan tayo po ing lagyan na ning panahon kang Mr. Manny Esguera, ing Chief Weather Forecaster na ning Pag-asa Clark. Mang Manny, ano po bang magiging lagay ng panahon natin ngayong linggong ito?
Okay po, inaasahan po natin na makakaranas po tayo ng medyo maalinsangan o mainit na panahon dahil itong pong amihan ay dito lamang po nakakonsentrate sa may extreme northern Luzon. At dito po sa atin, lalong-lalo na po dito sa may Eastern Visayas, ay easterlies po nakaka-apekto. So ang epekto po dyan sa may Eastern Visayas ay magkakaroon po ng mga pagulan, kalat-kalat ng mga pagulan at pagkulog-pagkidlat. Pero ang Metro Manila po, nalalabing bahagi ng bansa, kasama po na po ang Pampanga, ay bahagya lamang hanggang sa kuminsan ay magiging maulap din po ang papawirin at may inaasahan lamang po ng mga pulo-pulong mga pagulan at pagkulog-pagkidlat. Dulot din po ito ng easterlies at non-localized thunderstorm. So wala po tayong nararamdaman ngayon. Kung meron man po ay mapakahina yung lamig na binibigay nitong amihan. Yes po.
Opo, pero may LPA pong binabantayan, Sir Manny?
Well, yung LPA po ay malayo pa naman po sa ating bansa at hindi pa naman po tayo naapektuhan nun. Wala, kahit po yung trough niya, yung extension, na hindi pa rin po tayo naapektuhan. Yes po.
Kailan ho kaya natin mararanasan yung medyo malamig-lamig na simoy ng hangin, Sir Manny?
Okay, mga ilang araw po, babalik din naman itong amihan at mararamdaman na natin yung lamig na idudulot nito.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong ulat, Sir Manny Esguera, ang Chief Weather Forecaster ng Pag-asa Clark.
Welcome po at magandang gabi.
Good evening, sir. Muntatama po kay ngaliwang balita at inang bayong Reyna, Keti Pampanga. Apin po ya i Anne Klein Castro na ning Mabalaqueña City, ang mikoronan ang timong Mutya ning Pilipinas-Pampanga 2023. Ano po yung report?
May pili ng representante na ng Pampanga kay Mutya ng Pilipinas 2023. Labilang nga na makandidata rin miligligan para king korona ni Mutya ng Pilipinas Pampanga 2023, king the Lakeshore Tent king Mexico anyang Sabado, November 4. Kaya belang milub ken top 10 Regeniva Lopez ning Santa Tomas, Arlinda Lusong ning Arayat, Irali Deirit ning Mexico, Hanilin Angulo ning Apalit, Nika Balmes ning Arayat, Eliza Joy Bondok ning Angeles, Elaine Villanueva ning Arayat, Anne Klein Castro, Maria Yvonne Crocker, at Mary Rose Samson na pare-parehong tubong Mabalacat. Kay bat ning question and answer portion, linob lang ang final 3 di Crocker, Samson, at Castro, bang marap ken tataw lingamon. Kenny, metong yamong kutang ing karelang pekibatan. Iting naning pekataulidang gewa bang i-promote in Kapampangan culture. At keni minangatyay Anne Klein Castro ay ang mikoronan Mutya ng Pilipinas-Pampanga 2023.
As a tourism student, I have learned how important it is to look back where we came from and to know who we really are. Ever since when I was a child, it has been my way of communication using the Kapampangan language, being loud and proud using the Kapampangan language itself. And I believe that using the Kapampangan language is what connects us to our culture and tradition.
Aparte kin titulo, ikwane mo ring Castro ay Miss Photogenic, Miss Trends Fitness, Best in Talent, Best in Casual Wear, Miss Body Beautiful ang pang Best in Swimwear Awards. Samantala, first runner-up ay Maria Yvonne Crocker at second runner-up naman ay Mary Rose Samson. Metong naman ka rin mag-judge kem pageant in kakatamong talasuyo ay JM De Jesus.
Anyang actually, lalawen ko la. Ali ko la lalawen ketang nung no ko nila menibatan at sing malago. Lalawen ko la ketang bisbong lagyuda. So ali ko la masyadong akakit na from Arayat, from Makanyan. Kasi buri ko maging fair eh.
Yes,
nung manibatan ko man katigo kilala Arayat, Makanyan. Aliya kahit mag-matter. So lalawen ko itang mismong lagyuda mo. So inaus ding lagyu na ning Anne Klein. Inaus ding Anne Klein niya. Aliya Miss Mabalakat. Kasi dakalapin Mabalakat dakal Arayat, dakal aliwa pang lugar. Kay batan niyang ina ng soretang atlo, ipaglalawe kami. Kay karin ko mo abalo na Mabalakat langan pala ding atlong linob. So imagine, ali talaga isipan na ali dapat Mabalakat ting lungob, ali dapat Arayat. So may bigla na kami mo naman as judges na, aba, Mabalakat lang nalin ding linob pala ding top 3 ako.
Kaya Bejena Lumbang Parungaw, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.
Amin po rin ding mga ragula balitang kinalap na ng kakatamong news team. Para kang pang updates, i-like and follow you lamo rin kaya kaming social media pages. King Facebook at CLTV36 Official, ang pong at CLTV36 News, Twitter o X at CLTV36, Instagram at CLTV36 Official, at king kakatamong TikTok at CLTV36 Official. Dong buriyo na pong balikan ng kakatamong programa King CLTV. Pwede yun ang Apanal Ben King YouTube channel at CLTV36 Official, ating kakatamong website www.cltv36.tv. Apanal Ben ladin ding programa ng CLTV nationwide via Signal Channel 115, ang po ka rin kaming 38 cable partners. King lagyo na po ning mabilog ang CLTV36 News and Current Affairs. Ako po kayong talasuyo, Jennifer Salenga, ating pusong makabalen.